given that title, Prince of Hearts. You know, it's big, really, for me at least. I appreciate it a lot, and it's flattering. And yeah.
Tapos, ano lang, hypothetical lang. Kung halimbawa lang, itapat ka kay Atasha, ilagay ka sa, let's say, showtime, would it be a problem for you? Or pag-iisipan mo ba ng maigi? Or how would you go about it?
Necessarily, I wouldn't say it's a problem really. At the end of the day, we're all just trying to do our job, or make sense of our job. So I wouldn't say that there would be a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anne.
All right, very interesting set of questions, and I love the fan base over here. Salamat. Okay, moving on. Let's hear from Nikki Wang from Manila Standard.
Hi, Andres.
Hello.
Well, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Kanina you mentioned that one of your goals here in the industry is to make people smile, the audience smile, make them happy. But what about you? Who makes or what makes you smile these days?
What makes me smile really? Basketball. Basketball really makes me smile. And not only that, it's a way for me and my family to bond, especially my dad. And my mom too. We always watch a lot of Laker games early in the mornings, and then sometimes I'll have to convince them to watch my favorite team, Phoenix Suns, play. So basketball really is what makes me smile.
So interesting. And of course, whenever people see you on social media, they say you're very charming. Where did you get your charm? Is it from your dad or from your mom?
So the people that comment on my social media and that have been supporting my journey or the chapters throughout my life, firstly I want to say thank you really, because it really is flattering, and it also makes my day when I see comments or certain fan pages that make posts. It makes me really happy. And the charmingness, I don't know really, siguro through time and experiences maybe develop. I don't personally think that I'm super charming naman, but I really appreciate the time.
Thank you, and congratulations.
Alright, so we've been hearing a lot of basketball. What's your height ba? I mean,
Okay, I'm 6'2".
wow.
6'2".
So what's your position sa basketball?
I play shooting guard. Yeah.
Mga heartthrob ang mga shooting guard. Okay, susunod naman po, Roldan Castro from Abante Tonight.
Hi, Andres. Kanino ka mas takot? Kay Aga o kay Shirley?
Neither. Pero, yeah, neither.
Sino mas mahigpit?
Sorry?
Sino mas mahigpit?
Depende sa sitwasyon. Depende lang. But I couldn't say between the two. They're equally as caring, and I wouldn't say they're strict. My parents are very understanding.
Okay. Sabi mo gusto mong sumayaw. Sinong yung actress ang gusto mong maka-partner o makakulab sa dance floor?
Well, I don't know if I could give a name, but yeah, so anyone really, because I would love to learn from any actresses or actor or dancers really. It's all just part of the learning experience.
Okay. Habol lang, sa mga artista lang, sino gusto mo talagang makasama ko sa project na to, bukod sa parents?
If I have to say older, I'll say John Lloyd. John Lloyd Cruz, great actor. Okay. The way that he acted in Dubai as Andrew was really, really touching. And it flowed well with the story, and his dynamic with my dad was really nice to see.
Thank you.
Great, maraming salamat po, Sir Roldan. Ngayon naman po, from GMA7 Entertainment, we have Nurse Almo. Here in front again.
Hello. Good afternoon. Yun nga, since you're the Prince of Hearts, ready ka na ba maging the next heartthrob? showbiz?
Ready? Am I ready for that? Yes, no. Yes, no. Honestly, I don't know if I'll ever be ready for that. You know, it's a learning experience for me. And in this career, you know, it's just about just jumping in and doing it, right? So, will I be ready? I hope so. Yes, yes.
Ito, question lang, since parang follow-up dun sa question ni Miss Payne. May I know your skincare and your workout,
So I don't really have a skincare routine, really. I don't have a skincare routine at all. And oftentimes when I'm working with makeup artists, they tell me like, "Oh, what's your skincare routine?" And just like, "What's your skincare routine?" I don't actually have one, you know. So yeah.
How about your workout session?
Well, my workout routine, I like to lift weights at least 4 times a week, and then I'll follow that with like basketball at least 2 to 3 times a week. I'll try to fit that in my schedule somehow.
You nag-weightlist ka ba? So,
Yes.
can fans expect ba na, pag mga sinasabing heartthrob, minsan na-expect nila na shirtless or topless?
I'm working on that, right? I'm working on that because I do want to be ready in the case that if I actually have a sequence or a scene where I do have to be shirtless, I don't want to not be unprepared. I want to be ready for that. So,
Na-mention ni Alan, so veg fashion, baka next time may topless na.
I don't know, not yet. But for the right role, for the right project, I'm willing to.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, ang magandang sagot siguro doon, Andres, I was born ready. Yeah, di ba? Okay. Nakikialam ako sa sagot. Okay, next naman po, pakinggan natin si Rose Garcia from Pika Pika and Marites University.
Yeah, hello Andres, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Well, to be really honest, parang hindi ko masyadong ina-expect na papasukin mo rin talaga yung showbiz. Although you came from showbiz royalty na. Dumating ka ba sa point na nagdalawang isip ka? At kung nagdalawang isip ka, ano yung ano yung nagiging hindrance dati para pasukin?
No, I don't think there was a point where I would second guess myself really, because if I want to do something and I really believe that I can achieve it, I do it wholeheartedly and I work hard at it to the best of my abilities. So, no second guessing for me.
Aware ka ba na yung daddy mo, kumbaga yung journey niya as an actor, hindi ganun ka galidin?
Yes, so I understand also that being an actor, it's a process. You know, you have to audition. Mag-audition din ako soon. So I understand that you have to do that bilang isang artista, di ba? So,
Kung nagkaroon siya ng second chance before, anong pinakapayo niya sa'yo?
sorry?
Ano yung advice niya sa'yo now that you entered showbiz?
My dad just told me, you know, like I said a while ago, enjoy it, enjoy the process, have fun, be nice to everyone, always keep a level head, and humility is the best ability, you know.
Ano ang bonus na yan? Andres, hindi, ang feeling mo na ang daming nagkaka-crush sa'yo?
It's very flattering. Okay, it's very flattering. I never ever thought of it that way. Only as of recent, I started to see the love that people were giving me and the whole crush ng bayan. And I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, really. Growing up, I never felt like that. You know, I never felt that I was, you know, boggy or pop. Totoo, seriously. I never really, seriously. I just always thought, you know, what carried me as a person was my personality, and that's the way I've always seen it.
Dalawa ano na to, talaga. Anong tawag dyan? Andre, anong gusto mo sa isang babae? Kung ikaw ang pamimiliin? And I hope you don't mind. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng relationship? And how long it lasted?
I have actually never had a girlfriend in my whole life. That's what I'm telling you. I never felt like I was the crush or whatever. I never had a girlfriend. Of course, I've tried to date. You know, I've went on a few dates in my life, but ended up going into the relationship level. It never really reached there. Yeah. Diba?
Ang taas siguro ng standard mo, ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Really, it's just someone that I can enjoy spending time with, someone that can make me laugh, really. And also, another important thing is like a girl that is very God-fearing and puts God first in her life is a big factor for me, because that just shows me, you know, the fundamentals of how it is to be a person. You know, it's intact.
Alam mo, may angulo kang kinusunod. Okay, thank you, Andre.
Thank you.